Hi all, I am Libby with a new UX snack. So in my last UX snack regarding the redesign of this agency with purpose, I had just completed 4 different wireframes for the homepage. And as a refresher, at this point we've done user interviews and analysis, competitive research, all combined into a matrix to allow for cross-comparison, as well as sketching and wireframing. And to double up on the refreshers, just as a reminder, we are designing for this agency's primary users, which is going to be new clients that are looking to understand what this agency has to offer, what services they provide, who they actually work for, and most importantly, how to get in contact with them. So today I'm going to unveil 2 different versions of the homepage that include the elements that I just mentioned before as either copy or as links. So just so you can recall, this is what the current homepage looks like. Now let's take a look at option A. As you can see, it is much cleaner with a succinct hero headline and relevant image. It has the logo and menu bar across the top and a second link to their contact information below the headline. As you scroll down, you can receive a secondary message and a second call to action. One important thing to know, I think it's important to have a call to action on separate sections of your page. Otherwise, it's just a lot of boring copy that a lot of people don't read anyway. So option number 2 plays on the tone and meaning behind the name Marketing Labs, featuring these bubbles as the full page hero image. It then combines the hero headline and secondary message into one and provides a call to action to learn more, which would then link to a services page. So my next step is to conduct some additional user research to get some feedback. I'm going to set up a simple A/B test to really understand which one resonates more with my users and really fits in with their needs and their wants. So while I complete A/B testing, I would really love to know your opinions. Which one do you like, A or B? So as always, stay tuned for more UX snacks, and thank you for watching.